2, 3 and 4. We did a reverse whip. 1 prep 2, 3 and 4 with an inside turn, picking up this hand. 1 prep 2, hand change here, triple step, anchor step. Then the cool kids way to do this pattern. We get to a right to right hand hold, and we didn't really show how to do that, but there, you guys know multiple ways. We'll go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We do a reverse whip, 3 and 4, picking up this hand, and a left to left. 1 prep 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. It's called a blind side roll in, roll out. From the other side, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1 prep 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 prep 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Thank you guys again so much. I appreciate everybody being here. As always, we're going to have a terrific night. Got a couple new songs for you coming up pretty soon. And thank you, Gail, Robert, a couple tunes.